All right, in the pyramid of profitability, we have three components, or three modules. In the first module, we created a platform. We need somewhere to sell our products that we create online. The second module, we created products to sell on our platform. And now the third module, this module, is going to be about how do we promote our products and our website. If you think about the internet, there's hundreds of millions of websites out there, and there's probably billions of eyeballs all over the internet. So how do we get some of those eyeballs going back to our website to kind of view our content and to look at purchasing our products? So that's where the promotion comes in. So really what we're going to go over is marketing your website and the products that you sell on that website. Basically, how do we get customers in the door? The door meaning our website. Think about a website, or think about promotions for that website. Everything online is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So the more messaging we get out there, the better chance we have of having people come back to our sites, because it's always available. So no matter where people are in the world, no matter what time they're surfing the web, they could find your content and come back and find your website and hopefully buy your products. And that happens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. So this is the greatest thing about the internet. It never sleeps. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to learn how to use and repurpose the work that we've already done, so we're not always starting from scratch. This is a huge time saver, and it keeps everything consistent. All the messaging in our marketing is consistent with the messaging in our products. So everybody has their own method of promotion. And what I mean by that, if you talk to 25 people that market on the internet, they'll probably all give you different ways of doing things, right? There's so many ways. But what I wanted to do is just have a couple of tried and true processes that could jumpstart the traffic to your site. All right, these are things that have worked in the past and they're going to work in the future. The other thing, like the rest of this course, is I'm trying to keep things as free as possible, as close to free. So the marketing techniques we're looking at, none of it is paid marketing. I think that is probably a good thing to look into one day once you get yourself established online and you have a product that is selling. And then you could kind of get into that paid pay-per-click or some kind of paid advertising, where then you could start testing the conversion rates and whatnot. But in this course, we're going to keep things free. A lot of the concepts and the techniques that we're going to be learning, you're familiar with. Not that necessarily you're doing marketing using these techniques, but nothing is going to be too foreign to you. So there's not going to be a tremendous learning curve. So let's go over a couple of things that we're going to actually learn in this course. What are we going to cover? So we're going to cover creating marketing content so we can get the message out there. We're going to cover market research to see how to market and what the best ideas are for marketing. We're going to set up our first email marketing campaign. So remember back when we set up the website, the platform, we added an email autoresponder. So now we're going to show you how to go through and set up your first email campaign so that when a customer gives you their email address, what happens next? We're going to use viral videos and content to promote your website and your products. We're going to learn the basics of spiderweb marketing, and we're going to craft our first sales letter. The sales letter is a component of your sales page that gets the customers excited to buy your product, and we'll go over that in detail. So we got a lot to cover in this module, so let's get started.